Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Analyst Explorers. In this video, I will guide you to solve another HackerRank SQL question, which is Weather Observation Station 15. So let's discuss the question. Query the western longitude for the largest northern latitude in a station that is less than this value. Round your answer to 4 decimal places. So we have an station table and we have two columns here, northern latitude and western longitude. So for this we have to query one value of western longitude for which for the largest northern latitude in station that's value is less than this value. So basically we have to select the western longitude and we have to round your answer to 4 decimal places. So I will round it to 4 decimal places. And now uh, from the station table, and the filter is where this northern latitude should be less than the value 137.2345, and you have to this order by descending. So this will give me the largest value of northern latitude order by this descending, and we want only one value of western longitude. So limit this by 1. And now click on this run code. Yes, our answer is right. Then click on this submit code to submit the answer. Thank you for watching this video.